How to copy a leader on Mirrorpip? Simply go to Mirrorpip and connect your trading account. I have connected Shark, CoinSwitch and Delta Exchange. Currently we support up to 8 exchanges. You can connect either one exchange or multiple exchange as per your convenience. Connecting multiple accounts is completely free. Then go to leader section. In the leader section, for all the exchanges you have connected, you have corresponding leaders for that. For example, on Delta, I have Pushkar Trades which already has 139 followers. I also have Pushkar Trades on CoinSwitch with 60 followers. I have Pushkar Trades for Shark with 12 followers. And for CoinSwitch, I have multiple other traders as well. Now, these leaders are actually trading with their real money. I can check the performance of any of these leaders. For example, I can click on this particular leader, check the performance of this leader, check the average gain, average loss, biggest win, biggest loss, win rate, growth, maximum drawdown, risk reward ratio, and all the live positions that are running right now. So these are the live positions that the leader is holding right now. And on the closed section, I can see all the closed trades of the leader. If I am satisfied with all the analytics and the description of the leader, on what basis the leader takes a trade, if I'm satisfied with all of this, I can simply click on mirror leader. Before I mirror any leader, there is a recommended margin that the leader decides. This is the minimum amount that you should have in your account. In our example, the recommended margin here is $500. If I want to invest $500, my multiplier will be 100%. If I want to invest beyond $500, I can increase the multiplier to 200%. This way, I am actually investing double of what leader has suggested us to invest. And once I'm comfortable with the allocation, I can simply click on mirror leader. Once I click on mirror leader, since I want to copy a leader from CoinSwitch, by default my CoinSwitch account is selected, my CoinSwitch balance is visible. Please make sure the available balance of your exchange is more than your recommended margin. In our case, recommended margin is $500, but I have much more than $500 in my exchange account. And I've also set multiplier as 300%. Now, when I click on accept terms and conditions and then click on mirror leader, I'll get an OTP. If I add this OTP and click on verify, I will be able to copy trades of that leader. I've already done this process, and on my dashboard, you can see I'm already copying Pushkar Trades. So once you finish copying a leader, on your dashboard, in the leader section, you will be able to see all the leaders you are following. You can click on any leader to understand what multiplier have you used, and if you want, you can edit multiplier on the go, or if you feel like you want to unsubscribe the leader, you can always click on the 3 dots and unsubscribe from here, or even you can go to leaders, go to the subscribed leader and click on remove from here as well. So subscribing a leader and unsubscribing a leader is very easy and seamless. Check the performance of the leader. If you resonate with the trading ideas, if you resonate with the gains, then follow that particular leader. Please note, following a leader is a very risky process. The past performance need not guarantee future result. For example, this leader has performed well from past 2 months, but this does not guarantee similar returns in upcoming months. There might be losses in the upcoming months as well. So trade responsibly, trade carefully, choose a leader wisely, and copy trade in just less than 30 seconds.